Alright, so here's the two garage door openers in my dad's new house. This one is the Craftsman 139-53673 SRT3, if I can remember correctly. This is on, and also Chamberlain HD900D. These are on newer Clope 2050 garage doors that replaced old, really old, I think they were overhead door wood doors. But yeah, these are in the house of my dad's new house. And this is the Chamberlain that I did an unboxing video of. And they've been in here for several months now, about 6 months. And today is actually the 4th of July, so I thought I'd upload something on the 4th of July, since I haven't uploaded something in a very long time. 6 months probably. But and there's the Craftsman and the Chamberlain. Here's the sensors for the Chamberlain. I installed these openers myself and had to kind of get creative with the Gen 1 sensors for the Craftsman. These brackets came with the opener that replaced the Craftsman, which was probably just some builder grade cheap Chamberlain thing. And so I kind of had to make do with that. And the other one's over there. And there's the trolley and door arm. And the opener itself. There's the Chamberlain. I would get up close to them and show the model of the Craftsman. And the, yeah, I'll go ahead and do the Chamberlain. Can't do the Craftsman because there's a lot of stuff. We're still kind of getting moved in. I mean, we are moved in, we're just getting settled at the moment. And this Chamberlain does have the battery in it. Oh, it's on the other side, that's great. It's manufactured in July 2011, which makes this unit 11 years old now. Because it is July 4th, 2021, and there's the battery light. And the limit programming / learn button. And there's the hangs there and stuff like that. There's Craftsman over there. Don't have the wall button for the Craftsman up yet. I've been procrastinating that for several months now. Ever since it was installed, really, so we're just using the wall button from it. And these both just have incandescent bulbs. HD900D, made in July 5th, 2011. So it's still only 10 years old, but it will be 11 years old tomorrow. There's the battery compartment. So I'll go ahead and give them a run. Here's the 53681B for the Craftsman. In 4 of 1998. That would be April, I think. And here is the 4NA 6127-1 for the Chamberlain. And the big button does it. We'll go ahead and do the Chamberlain first, and let me tell you, this thing is very, oh, here's the smart panel. Light and lock, it's 86 degrees right now. So, we will go ahead and do the Chamberlain first. Very, very quiet this thing is. Love it. Run it down. The doors are pretty nice too. I'll go ahead and run the Craftsman. Doesn't have the best signal. And for the chain drive that it is actually very quiet, surprisingly. So we'll run this one down from this angle right here. So yeah, there you go. Go ahead and do an outside view of both operators. And if I do have an update, I will do a balance test of the doors. Not going to do that in this video because this is just a quick video. That's where we've been doing our fireworks and stuff. So here's the Chamberlain door. Got the Chamberlain keypad right here. I forgot the freaking model of it. That's great. So, go ahead and punch in the code. It opens right up. Love how quick this thing is too. Run it down. I do have my 953 EVC programmed to it as well. The doors are very smooth too. And yeah, we do need to put up the weather seal and get rid of this old stuff. But that's being procrastinated for the time being. So we'll run up the Craftsman here. And in the future, if I do collect more garage door openers, this will be the door that I filmed them on. And there's the Chamberlain. Run that down. You also have these buttons too. So there you go. Don't have a keypad for the Craftsman. We'll get that eventually though. My dad's doing work inside the house. So anyways, there you guys go. There's a video of the garage door openers at my dad's new house. Oh, and all the fireworks and stuff. We have the big guns in here. And the launch tubes are in the bottom drawer. Alright. So, thanks for watching.